We went through a hurricane just a couple of days ago. You'll see there's all kinds of stuff in here because it was terrible. And thankfully for us, we did not have flooding here, but so many of our neighbors did. This Axial fan would be perfect for that kind of situation. Let me demonstrate it for you real quick so you can see just how well you can aerate your house, dry things up quickly. So I thought I would demonstrate just how much flow this fan makes with my dog. You can see it is like another hurricane in the house. Let's hook up that exhaust hose so you see how to actually properly use it. So now that the dog's outside, you can see the proper setup for this. You have the fan in the house, the exhaust vent 12 foot going out a window or a door, flip it on. That's pretty amazing, right? Put a comment below how you're going to use this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all those kind of great things. And there's a link below if you want this. See you next time.